Combination in exact order. Sa mga nagrambulito system play naman, may chance kayong manalo ng 2,000 pesos. Kaya good luck po sa lahat ng may tickets. And here's our 2D Lotto winning combination. For the first number, we have 7. And the second number is 1. Recapping our 2D Lotto winning combination for the 5 p.m. draw, we have 7 and 1 in exact order. Bukod po sa cash pa-premyo, may pampa-good vibes din kami para sa inyong lahat. Kung ano yan, ito po, panoorin po natin. At bilang pakikisa sa pagdiriwang ng 128th anniversary ng kalayaan ng Pilipinas, mas exciting ang paglalaro ninyo ng Lotto. Dahil mamayang gabi, ang jackpot prize ng Ultra Lotto 658 ay 128 million pesos na. Kaya naman grab this opportunity to celebrate and ticket buy na for your chance to become the next multimillionaire this Independence Day. At ngayon naman, ituloy na natin ang game time. Tatapatan naman natin ng papremyo ang lucky 3 numbers. Let's play the 3D Lotto game. For those who have just tuned in, we are now playing the 3D Lotto game. 4,500 pesos ang panalo ng tatlong numero ninyo kapag nag-match yan sa mapipiling winning combination in exact order. Kung nag-rumble ito system play naman, you can win 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos. Ang 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto ay nilalaro tuwing 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. At nakapili na ng 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number is 5. For the second number, we have 6. And the third number is 0. Recapping our 3D Lotto winning combination for the 5 p.m. draw, we have 5, 6, and 0 in exact order.